dishes. It's not gonna be 6, it's gonna be a little more. So, number 1 is monster stew. So, we're gonna need any meat. Any meat. Doesn't matter, you could do raw prime meat, raw bird thigh, raw whole bird, raw gourmet meat, raw bird drumstick, any meat. And any seafood, so I'm going to use a crab, iron shell crab, and monster extract. If you don't know where to get this, you can get this at Kilton's shop. He, at night, he goes in villages and then he sells you stuff. So, monster extract. That'll make monster stew. Tough monster stew. Because I have no idea what I used. I must have used something. Recipe. Oh, iron shell crab. How did I? Fried bananas is the next one. So you need Tabantha wheat, right here. Cane sugar, mighty bananas, of course. And then that'll make fried bananas. Mighty fried bananas. It's mighty because the only bananas in the game are mighty bananas. So you must be pretty mighty when you eat this. I'm not sure if that's how you use the word mighty. So next one is monster cake. So you need monster extract, of course, for any monster things. And Tabantha wheat, cane sugar, and goat butter. Tabantha wheat, cane sugar, and goat butter. That'll make monster cake. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And the monster cake sounds delicious. Monster curry. For monster curry, you need, of course, monster extract. Hylian rice. Where'd I put that? There we go. And Goron spice. Right, is there anything else? No, nothing else. Give me just that to make monster curry. Whoop whoop. This unusual take on curry uses monster extract. Doesn't rely on spices. Interesting. I'm gonna die because I ate that cake. I'm sick. What was the next one? What was it? Oh. Cream of mushroom soup. Fresh milk. Where did I get that? There it is. Rock salt, any mushroom, any vegetable or flour. Rock salt, any mushroom, you could use any mushroom. I'm going to use a Hylian shroom. And any vegetable or flour, so that would include carrots, mighty thistles, I think, and any flowers, so blue nightshades and rascal, sulfana, werf, sulfana, sweet violet, electric, sulfana, or hyrule herb. I'm gonna use hyrule herb. That's gonna make cream of mushroom soup. This creamy mushroom and veggies on table soup is so chunky it eats like a meal. What? that makes no sense. Next one is pumpkin stew. Fresh milk, tabantha wheat, goat butter, and fortified pumpkin. Tabantha wheat, goat butter, and fortified pumpkin. Take a closer look. Floating above his hands somehow. Oops. I can't remember the recipe. Goat butter. Fortified butter. Fresh milk. I think. Okay. Pumpkin's too tough. Pumpkin soup because only pumpkin in this game is fortified pumpkin. And next one is poultry pilaf. You need 1 gourmet. 1 Hylian rice. Where is my rice? And bird egg and goat butter. Bird egg, where's my bird eggs? Where's my eggs? I feel a lot better now. And so I forgot. And goat butter. That. Bird, fried egg, and rice. I wasn't supposed to make that. Gourmet meat. Hylian rice. I don't want to use that. Goat butter. Oh, I forgot the salt. Oh, gourmet meat. Hylian rice, bird egg, goat butter. That's exactly what I did. Huh. Okay, guys, don't try that one. Okay. I don't like that recipe. Bad. So bad, I'm gonna fly up into the sky. And do this. Top my chin. Okay, let's get back to the recipes. Seafood. Payala. Payala. A-L-L-A. 1 porgy. What's a porgy? It's a fish. Mighty porgy or armored porgy? Any porgy. Of the 2. Because there's only 2. I'm gonna do a mighty porgy. Porgy. Hardy blue shell snail. That's very rare. Hylian rice, goat butter, rock salt. Hardy blue shell snail. Hylian rice, goat butter, and rock salt. Where's my rock salt? Seafood fried rice. I was supposed to make a seafood paella. That's close enough. Okay, this is the stuff we made. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. That one. I hate that one. Down you go. Oh, and this is the stuff from last time. Apple pie, hearty clam chowder, nut cake, hasty tart cake, tough pumpkin pie, and a matty fruit cake. Okay, that's all for today, guys. And I'm gonna end the video in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 7, 2, 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 100, negative 50, negative 50, negative 500. Who's telling me to